Namaskar. I'm here to welcome global citizen to India and especially to Mumbai. I'm really happy that this event is happening in Maharashtra and in Mumbai. Thanks to Poonam, who actually came to me and said, how could this happen in Delhi? It has to happen in Mumbai. I said, I'm with you. Go ahead. And she went ahead. I think what excites me more is the way we are connecting people. We are a aspirational country with 50% of our population below the age of 25. And with this demographic dividend, we are becoming one of the greatest economy of the world. I have no doubt in my mind that this aspirational youth will be the driver of economy. It will make us grow economically. But I think what we really need to do is to make them drivers of socio-economic change. It's not about just the economic change, but what we require is socio-economic change. And as rightly said by Poonam, we need to find ways to inspire the youth to be socially active, to understand that he has to do something to give back to the society which has given him the ways to fulfill his aspirations. And I think there cannot be a better way to ask him to have social credits, to earn social currency. And I think this way of connecting the youth through popular culture and to ask them, if you want to participate, earn the social currency, take some action. I think with one program of Global Citizen on 19th, we will find millions of youth taking social action. And as Amit ji was pointing out, what action is to be taken? Amit ji, you just convinced Mr. Khemka that he takes into consideration action taken by you in last 3 months, and you will earn social currency for all of us. I think this inspiration is what is needed. And I think the youth has immense power. It requires inspiration. And when millions and millions of people start taking action, participating into the action journey and earning the social points, it will create a huge inspiration for everybody. So I think it's not just a one-day event, but with this event, we will start entire new journey towards socio-economic change in our country. I feel we have often talked about inclusive growth. We often say that GDP growth cannot be a benchmark until it is inclusive. Every person of the society should be part of the growth story. I think now is a time when we say not just inclusive growth, but participative growth. And it is this participation, if we ensure every single youth in the society participates, I think the growth which we want to see in this country, the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister to make this nation a developed country by 2020 can be realized. And I think this program is a way forward towards taking a strong step to make our country a developed nation by 2020. Congratulations to global citizens. Welcome. And I would like to offer all support from Government of Maharashtra. Let's come together and let's make this event a huge success. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Thank you, sir.
My young friends, a very good evening. I applaud you all who have come together for taking up such a worthy cause. Indeed, there is a need to liberate our world from the curse of poverty. It is our collective challenge. We cannot and must not let such injustice continue. It should be our collective aspiration that no human being remains impoverished. Nature made every human being equal. We created the injustice and indignity of poverty. Elevation only will not suffice. We must eliminate poverty. My government is committed to eliminate poverty. To me, it means creating a condition where every individual is able to realize his or her full potential. Time has come for nations and governments to show resolve in tackling this challenge. I believe that a government is for the poor. I am committed to dignity and freedom from poverty. For all, this is my mission. And this is your mission. Let us work together. This will make our world a better place to live.